Hello, welcome to the Box Room. David Bradley here. It has occurred to me that, of course, I have been trying to get this area tidied up, but it has not gone well. And so now it must. It must go well. By the way, years ago, I found these funky reading glasses. Behold the magic. They fold up, they fold down. One would think, in a way, you could kind of peer over, I suppose. Kind of like bifocals, sort of, kind of, but no, not really. They really have to be all the way up. But it's cool, because when somebody is sort of getting your undue attention, you can just go, Anyway, so what I need to do is document what's here and get it the heck out of here. So let's see what we have in this. I think this goes to a power supply that's sitting under here. But I don't know anymore. And this thing is falling down. What is this? Oh dear. Yeah, I have to do better. All right. Power bars. That's funny. One would think they don't need to be tested, but they do. So how am I going to accomplish that easily? Wheel. Go take the rubber band off. Everything got to get out of here. I should have it that I can bring in something, test it. Oh, move it on. Move it on. So, is this on? I don't know. I think I will take my little battery charger, my little phone charger. I'll turn this off. I'll turn this on. If it lights up, it starts charging. It's working. And I'll randomly pick another one. And it's charging. All right, that's good. Okay, so I'll set that up here. What else is here? Another wayward power bar. Okay, put that in. Let's see, does it light up? No, it's supposedly on now. I'll put this in, turn it on, and it works, by golly. I'll turn it off. This is a good. Well, let's see. This one is a little more elaborate. It's a little longer. It's got phone protection and other things, and of course, who needs that anymore? Oh, and the cord's all wrapped up, and I guess I'll leave it that way for the moment. All right. Okay, so when I turn it on, things light up, and when I plug into it, things light up. All right, a good sign indeed. Oh. All right, we're getting there. What do we got now? Well, this looks like something a little bit more elaborate. Grounded, protected. Woohoo. Also, kind of wrapped up. Oh, it's got a funky plug too. It's kind of twisted. Oh no, don't you be falling. Nothing is allowed to fall down. So we turn it on. Things light up. That's good. We plug in. We turn it on. The charger lights up. Okay. We're doing fine. We're just fine. Ooh. All this to get stuff out of. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No avalanche things are happening here. Another rubber band. Reset switch. Good. It's good to have those on there. Oh, there's no switch on this one. It just has a little LED that lights up. Good to know. When we plug in, and this lights up. So that is good. All right. So those are good, and not at this moment, but I will move them. Now here, oh yes. Here are these neck warmer things. I will take them and put them downstairs because winter is approaching. Now, I think I have finally reached the Commodore 64 power supply. So this plugged in here, and it is reading between 5.23 and 5.26, which, believe me, is within acceptable parameters. So, we're going to plug in, get this clear of this, we're going to plug in this 64, turn on this monitor, and we will see that it... Oh, there is another thing that would greatly help this situation if we're actually attached to the monitor. That would help. And things are now pushing away here. All right, what have I done? All right, what have I done? Why am I seeing nothing? See, this is the kind of thing. All right, you know what? Maybe, maybe, of course, what I've done is when I was testing those power bars, I unplugged the cord to the power supply. Don't you be falling, you. Okay, now, let's turn on the power supply. We see a flash. Ta-da! There's a Commodore 64 screen. Now, what will we do now? I'm going to move this. This is the top from this machine. I'm going to move it up here. I don't need this lint thing. I don't need this little charger, Julie. I will need the marker. I certainly don't need Qbert. Qbert can go over here. But what I will do, and I seem to, it hasn't been that long ago since I did this. I seem to remember what was what. But we'll just attach, first of all, we'll set this up. This connector here is very long. It takes up a lot of space. I don't have a lot of space here, but that will change. It will. So serial port, cassette port, That is snug. Joystick ports. Oh, man. It's funny. When you're trying to hurry, things always take longer. Now, I'm going to reach over here, grab this dead 64 power supply, push that up there so it holds it, and then turn this on, and we should see. We should see that the testing will commence. Now, where? I know I have it. It's right back here somewhere. Oh, excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. Okay, there is the blue pad. Okay. 64. Heart. Sid. Okay. Diagnostics. Okay. That's a good. Now, I'll let this go through one more time. And then I will turn it off, put the keyboard back on, and screw it together and just make sure that the typing goes okay. And we'll document. The gentle rumble of the SID chip. Okay. Turn off. Cartridge out. Joystick port connectors out. Serial port out. Holy mama. Cassette port connector off. Cartridge, sorry, user port out. And then with great care, pull this aside and say, okay, that's a good. That's a good. That's a good. Okay, video out for the moment. Power out for the moment. I'll move the dead power supply. And we will retrieve yonder keyboard. One thing about when you have a bunch of machines around, see the little fingers that hold the machines together were not all the same. So if you have more than one machine in the vicinity and you've taken things apart, make sure that the little fingers that go into the back of the machine actually fit the holes, the little places that they would go, and carefully put them back. Now, oh, I know what I should also reach. Where? There we go. SID plus VIC socketed. Only. That is something to know, because if I'm looking to test something, and I'm hoping to find a machine that I can snag some other chip out of, this is not a good candidate. It is not. Alright, so I'll put the screws in and button it up. And then there we go. Also, break the serial number. Let's see. Yeah. Excellent. 243719. All right, set that there. And then look for the wayward cables that fell down. Monitor, sorry, video attached. Power attached. Accidentally, as I was pushing in the power, I accidentally hit the thing. Anyway, I think, if I remember rightly, it might have been 53280, Oh, that seems alright. One, change things to white, and go down. I'm not looking at what's on the screen because I will know when I've done this if it looks okay. And it does. Alright. Okay. Forward. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, now, I will unplug this. I will unplug this. I will, with great care, set this down over here. And, I'm going to take the things away that I just tinkered with, and then I'll look at some more things, put things back together, and document them. Oh, yes, document them indeed. Just a moment. Oh. So this does have like a post-it note type glue on it, and that's all good, but it's not as good as a little Scotch tape. So good. That's all good. All right, time to move things, and time to carry on with this pile. I've got to, like, there's an Amiga here. It's been sitting here. It doesn't need to be here. It doesn't. So it's not going to be. Anyway, soon this will be clear and tidy. Stay tuned for more excitement. From the box room, David Bradley signing off. Bye for now.